Mark Zuckerberg declares war on the advertising industry. And no, this is not just a headline. That's what I feel like. And let me tell you a little bit more. Now, I've been paying an agency to run our Meta ads, and Meta keeps calling me directly to take over my account. I want you to let that sink in for a second. The platform your agency may be built on is actively trying to replace you. It's not cool, but it's real. And this is just one example of a much bigger shift. Google, TikTok, YouTube are not far behind either. And they're all building what I call a one-button campaign. You give them a product, type in a few prompts, and AI generates that copy, the design, the video, and it tests it, all without a human. Your strategist replaced. Your designer replaced. Your copywriter, you guessed it, replaced. Now here's the punchline, right? Now, if you're still selling deliverables, you've already been phased out. I get it, right? This is a hard pill to swallow, but this isn't the end of agencies. It's just the end of the ones who built their model on tasks instead of thinking. Now, what AI can't replicate is leadership, right? And what your clients actually want is clarity, direction, and at the end of the day, results, right? So let's talk about what the smart agencies are doing right now to evolve and to thrive. Number one, they're productizing the thinking, not the task. Now, most agencies sell what they do: ad management, SEO, funnel builds. But here's the thing, clients don't care about what you do. They care about what they actually get. That's why you need to stop selling the ingredients and start selling the outcome instead of saying, we run Facebook ads for local businesses, right? No one wants that. I want you to say this instead. We help local gyms generate 100 leads in 30 days using a proven 3-step acquisition system. Now you're not a vendor. You're a system that scales. Productizing your thinking means turning your knowledge into a framework, right? Not a custom plan, not a brainstorming session, a repeatable and documented method that delivers the results. Think the 5 steps authority engine, right? The growth ramp offer framework, the 30-day lead domination system. I'm not too happy about that, but that just isn't marketing fluff. It gives your offer structure, value, and authority. Now, when you package your thinking, your strategy, your process, your decisions, you're going to separate yourself from the freelancers, the AI tools that just do the work. Thinking is expensive. Tasks are cheap. So if you want to charge more, scale faster, and be harder to replace, you need to productize the thing between your ears, not just what's on your proposal. Number 2, sell speed and certainty. One of the most underrated agency superpowers today is speed. Most clients aren't losing to competitors, they're losing to confusion and hesitation. They're stuck, they're overwhelmed, they're drowning in options. What they need isn't more ideas or a 6-week strategy. They need momentum. They need it fast. That's where you come in. Don't sell a 3-month content plan. Sell traction in 7 days. Don't say, well, we'll optimize your funnel. Say we'll identify your highest converting offer and we'll launch it by Friday. Speed is ultimate value multiplier, and here's the real secret, right? Certainty scales. Certainty means clear expectations. It means no vague timelines, no unclear deliverables, no hoping, right? You tell your client, here's how long it will actually take, and here's what it looks like when it actually works, and here's what we're going to do if it doesn't. That's the kind of confidence that is rare, and clients will pay a premium for it. So if you're selling time, scope, and maybes, you're selling fear. Instead, sell fast, wins, tight outcomes, and rock solid clarity. That's what people actually buy. Now, number 3, you got to own your niche, man. I say this all the time. Generic is dead. You've got to go deep, pick your people, solve their most expensive problems better than anyone else. The more specific your promise, the more profitable your agency is actually going to become. Now, number 4, I want you to use AI, but don't compete with it. Here's the move. Become the AI Sherpa, the guide who helps clients use AI to simplify their operations, streamline their workflows, automate lead generation, improve reporting, and speed up your customer service. Now, just don't talk about AI, implement it for your clients, train them, build the systems for them, make their business run better, faster, and cheaper with you as the architect. Now, if you're not talking to your clients about how AI fits into their workflow, someone else is. I can promise you that. Number 5, I want you to build a client community. This one's huge. You want to be truly irreplaceable? I want you to connect your clients to each other. Create a mastermind, host a monthly virtual meetup, facilitate introductions, create space for your clients to learn from each other. One thing AI will never replace is the human connection. And the truth is, your best clients don't just want your service, they want community. They want to, share ideas, the struggles, and the wins, and they want to be around other people like them. And you can be the one that creates that room. We've seen this, firsthand. Some of our most successful members and clients said the biggest ROI wasn't the tactics, it was the community. Number 6 is I want you to be the guide, not the gun. AI will never replace someone who can build leads. Be the coach, be the filter, be the clarity. When you step into that role, your value, I can promise you, skyrockets. You'll go from being a vendor to being a partner. So my final thoughts is Zuck didn't kill the agency model. He's just forced it to evolve. So what do you need to do? You need to evolve. You need to lead. You need to win. Because here's the truth. AI doesn't sleep, and neither does Meta. But the agencies who adapt, who think instead of just do, who guide instead of execute, and they'll always be the one that is a step ahead. I hope you enjoyed this content. If you want more content like this, make sure you click on the link on the screen or check out your most popular podcast platform where the full episode is there. And until next time, have a swank day. What are you doing? Go check it out. Click on the link. I'll see you soon.